Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first cash stuffing for week 1 of January, but the first thing I want to do is I just want to write down my income because I know what I'm getting now. Got my payslip today, so that's done. And then excuse me, the weather is extremely cold here. I've got a bit of a cough. So I have some money in my purse that's come from something sold on Vinted, so we're going to cash stuff this into challenges. And all I've got is £10 left from last week's money. And then basically we're going to get our week 1 money, so we cash stuff. We have £65 to cash stuff. Groceries I'll do digitally. Bailey, I've got enough stuff for him. He got loads and loads and loads for Christmas, so he doesn't need any spending. Normally gets 20, but I normally put 10 into challenge, so I'm just going to pop 10 into here. Household gets 10. Again, I don't know if I need anything for household, but I'll just pop it in anyway. Toiletries gets 10. Again, I don't think I actually need any. And travel gets 20. So that's just taxis back and forwards to work. And then miscellaneous gets 5. Windows have already been paid. Eating out we won't be doing, and we don't have any planned spending. So that's the purse basically done. So that is leaving me with 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and we've got a wee 5 here. So that gives us 125 to put into challenges. I also have some Happy Meal here from Dingley Designs. So I got the In My Element book, which saved, I believe it's about £200, I think. Yep. I got the Dingley dollars. 2 and 3 because I got one in my advent and I wanted obviously to have them all. 12 months of mini scratch off. Definitely wanted to get this because when I saw this in the box that she did, I was kind of gutted I missed out, so I was really glad she brought this out. And then I also got Cherry Picked, Cereal Saver and the Seasonal Saver, which were things from the 24-day advent, which I really liked, so I got those. So those will be coming into play at some point. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to my 52-week saver and I want to play Knockout 9. So just get another dice here. I hope you can see that. So that was a 3. Oh, this pen. I don't know what's going on with it. I'll have to get another, like, fine. Oh. And then we've got 5. 6. I hope this one isn't going to sting me. 6 again. So I can do 4 and 2. Oh, Jesus Christ. So we've got 10. It's 25. That stung me for. Oh. So this could potentially be quite a big saver. So we're going to go into our annuals binder and we're going to pop this money into here. Mm. Mm. And then I think we'll go into scratch and match, and we'll maybe do a couple on here. Just because obviously this still has quite a lot to go, so okay, so that one is a match. That one is not a match. And then we have a match, so that's going to be £20 altogether. And that means we've got seven scratches left on this one. So far in here we have £60. So we've had 5 non-matches and 2 matches. What have we got left? Put another 20 into the mini savers. So let's see. It's 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. So that just leaves £20 on the winter mini savers. So we've basically got 2 rolls on monthly roll and match, 7 scratches on the seasonal, and that's basically the seasonal ones done. I think I've got £30 to put into the January challenge and £20 going to my monthly roll and match, and that's it for the monthly ones. So yeah, we might come back to this binder. We'll just see. Let's have a wee look in my challenge binder, see what we want to do. Right, I'm definitely going to do 9 and decline because I didn't do that last time. And let's hope we don't get stung this time. So that is 5. 7. 9. 9 again. 7. and 10, which we can't do, so we are saving £8, and I don't actually have any change. Oh. So 12, 13 plus 8 is 21. Okay, so we'll put 20 in, and what we'll do is we'll owe it 1. Is what we'll do. And we will just put the 1 in when we've got some change. Let's see what we've got on pyramids. That's a pink, so that's a 20. But that's fine because that just works out for where I think this is going to be quite a big challenge. As it could save anything up to £1,000, so yeah, this is going to be a big one. That one is evil. Don't really know if there's anything else in here. Might just go back and put another 20 back into the seasonal binder, just because obviously there's quite a lot to save in here. So we'll go ahead and we'll do a wee roll on the monthly rolling match. So it's a purple, it's a purple, and it's a purple. Blue, blue. Okay, that wasn't the purple, so I'll have to sort that another time. Right, so and I still haven't decided what I should do with this money, if I should leave it in the binders or if I should stick it in a tin. So let me know what you think. You know, because I do think it's going to build up to being quite a lot of money in this binder, and I don't know if it's a good idea to be keeping it all in the binder, but yeah. We'll start this one at some point. I don't know when, it'll just be when the budget allows, probably after March. Obviously this is going to need a bit more next month because it's £10 an icon rather than £5, so it's going to be saving £40. So if we can kind of get as much of the seasonal ones done as possible, it means next month we can just kind of focus on getting February done. So it'll be February for this one, which I assume will save 75. I assume it'll be the same number of icons. £10 into this one, and then there'll be £20 into this one, 25 into this one, and then hopefully this will be done. There'll be 3 rows on this, so that could be anything up to £30. Obviously I'll be doing this one every week, and I do obviously want to start my Ducky Dot and my 26-week spinner at some point. However, I'm not in a rush to start them. And I think that Ducky Dots will probably run through the whole year. So, if you haven't seen this before, it is from Budgets and Bloom Designs, so it's kind of similar to Kimberly Budget's Duck Butts, but it's not. So you get a wee bag like this, like I've got for the lizards, but it's got ducks in it and they've got coloured bottoms. So like that, you just pick out the duck and whatever colour on the bottom, you get your colour in the dot, and then you save that, and that saves up to £1,200. So that's 5s, 10s and 15s, depending on what you pull out every week. I don't know if I've got an envelope for my 26-week spinner actually. But yeah, what I'm thinking is we're going to track this money monthly, so we'll count up what's in each of the envelopes at the end of every month. So that is it from me today. That's the cash stuffing done. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.